and welcome back to Clear Vision Accountancy's YouTube channel. We have recently installed a touch-free wall-mounted thermometer. We ask that anybody entering our office to check their temperature to ensure the safety of our team and visitors. I'll now demonstrate how to use it and what to expect. As you just saw, if you step in front of the machine, ensure your forehead is directly in front of the infrared scanner. If your temperature is normal, it will flash green, beep once, and display your temperature. However, if your temperature is high, it will flash red, beep twice, and display the words high. New government guidelines also state that you must wear a mask in premises providing professional, financial and legal services. You're welcome to wear your own, or we've got plenty here for you to use. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to contact Clear Vision, our details are in the description box below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.